Heavy LA Tower, full length, runway 24 left, line up wait.
Delta 41 Heavy, line up wait, 24 left.
American 1009 LA Tower, runway 25 right, full length, line up wait. 25 right, full length, line up wait. China Freight 1059 Heavy, go around. Dragster 1050, China Freight 1059 Heavy, go around, climb and maintain 2000.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, we, our anti-skid was in off there. I don't know if we blew a tire, but it feels like the brakes locked up.
Yes, sir. So right now, you have a small tire on your left here. We're now getting water on it. It's about knocked down, so we'll take a look at the rest of the aircraft.
Roger. You want us to shut down the engines?
Stand by one on that stuff.